if your home decor could be both functional and a conversation starter? What if a simple appliance could be a piece of art? In today's video, we're taking a look at a product that does just that. This is the HOM Smart Chernobyl Humidifier. Let's be honest, the first thing that grabs your attention with the HOM Smart Chernobyl Humidifier is its audacious design. It's not just a humidifier, it's a miniature power plant for your home. Inspired by the iconic Chernobyl power plant, this device takes a bold step away from the typical bland humidifier aesthetic.